Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with another unboxing video to do, because courtesy of PRISEER. It's a social media shopping experience you guys won't forget. All you gotta do is click on the links down below, check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer, just like in the first one. That was really good. And now here comes the second one. Bada boom, LED projector. So this is a really nice one right here. Get these at a low cost, 800 by 1. We got the 320, 240 pixels, so that ain't bad. Supports 1920 by 1080. LED light, lifetime 30,000 hours. Projection size up to 60 inches, so that ain't too bad. Especially for the cost, it's definitely worth picking one up for that retro game system. So definitely want to get this too. And let's see what it looks like. And then I'll do a full demo with the other system on this one once I go downstairs and set it up. So definitely cool. Like I said, they got a lot of electronic stuff at great deals. Can't pass them up. Definitely excited for this one. LED projector. Oh, this is nice. This is tiny. Look at this. Oh, yes. It's like hand. I can fit in my hand. Look at that. That's crazy. Definitely excited to see the quality. So AV. So I could definitely hook up that. They got the HDMI, USB, micro SD, audio, AV. There's buttons on top, front, the back. You can hook up a tripod to it. Really cool. Here is the remote. Oops. Alright, the remote control time. Remote control time. I missed that TV show, Remote Control. Definitely a classic. And we got the remote down here. Let's see what kind of batteries. So you might want to pick up some batteries also. Yep. The AAA. I got some AAAs. So I'm going to pop those in, take this downstairs. We got the good plugs, the power, the audio, and I forgot what the white cable was, but the basic stuff. Really cool projector. Definitely check them out. We'll be in the basement in a second doing a 2-in-1 test run. Alright, YouTubers, see ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the test run. I decided to go with the Xbox 3's Xbox One X for the test run. We got it hooked up like that right there. It's so tiny. I'm really impressed with the picture. It's really good so far with the gaming. Right now we're just doing the demo. I'm not playing, so definitely pretty good. It's, like I said, up to 60 inches. So that would be good for like a small room, gaming room, backup TV in case your TV breaks. This would be a great backup to have. HDMI port, really good stuff right here. So definitely YouTubers, check them out. Links will be down below, and see what other goodies they have to offer. But right now this is the LED projector they have, and see what other items they have. So there you go. We'll let it run for another minute or so. But yeah, look at that though. And this is not even using a screen. It's just using a white wall in my basement. So definitely not bad at all. There's that side. Back up a little bit. Zoom in. And it is quiet. And the sound sounds really good. I'm really impressed with the sound quality also. But I can't play sound just because of the copyrighted music. So, but that will be on my Instagram. I will be doing it tonight. Like a movie I'll be posting on. Show you guys movie quality. Right now this is gaming quality, and to me it looks really good. I'm really impressed with this LED projector. So if you guys got some free time, click on the link down below. Check them out. Get this shipped in time before Christmas. So alright, YouTubers, be safe and have a good night.